Businesses comparing Oracle on-premise systems with cloud solutions often focus on the obvious costs: hardware, licenses, maybe staffing. But what they miss can be just as critical. The hidden costs add up fast. In fact, companies that adopt automated reconciliation see up to an 80% boost in efficiency. That's a serious impact. It's all about smarter resource allocation, better compliance, and lower long-term spend. On-premise setups require large capital investments for hardware, plus the ongoing costs of energy, maintenance, and dedicated IT staff. As systems age, those expenses grow, especially with upgrades and audits. Add disaster recovery, manual patching, and security management, and what looked affordable becomes a burden. Cloud changes that. You get subscription pricing, automatic updates, and built-in compliance support. Your IT team spends less time on maintenance and more on strategy. You only pay for what you use, and scaling doesn't mean re-architecting your entire environment. Choosing between cloud and on-premise isn't about cutting corners. It's about seeing the full picture. If you want to make a better informed decision on how to run your Oracle systems, head to vigilantinc.com and read the full article. If this episode helped clarify your thinking, add our podcast to your Spotify playlist so you don't miss future updates.